What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. My name is Brandon Lechuga, and today we are going to do a battery on the Mini. It's pretty shot, it's dead, so we're going to be replacing it, and I'm going to show you how and what you need really quick to do it. So you either need a socket or a wrench. It's going to be size 10. That's to remove these three. One of them goes right here, one right there, one right here. After you get that removed, there's going to be some tabs. One here, here. There's quite a few of them, so you're just going to kind of pull up, and it just kind of pops out. And mine popped out a little bit easier because one of the tabs is broken, but that's what the tabs look like. So you have about 3 of them, maybe 4. I don't know how many broke. So yeah, that's how you get that cover off. Here's the little rubber grommet thing that you're gonna have to kind of maneuver out of the way. Then you'll come over here, and then that should be a size 10. Yeah, 10. Let's see, sorry. Yep, 10 millimeter. So all these are 10s. So just loosen those. Over here, I already kind of loosened this one a little bit. It's kind of going. There you go. So you'll just take these off. And then same thing over there, take that off. And that'll be good, and just replace it with a new battery, and then put it back together the way you tore it apart. But yeah, that's how you remove the battery. There's probably, in all honesty, some other things I gotta get removed down there. Oh, yep, right here. So you also need a Phillips, because that is what's holding the battery in. Is this Phillips right here. So loosen this, and I should be able to lift the battery up and out. Once I take let's just see if it moves. Yeah, so I just gotta take it out the rest of the way. There we go. There we go. There we go, that's what's holding the battery down. Should just kind of lift up, but yeah, it lifts up. So yeah, that's how you remove it. And then you'll put this back in the exact same way, down like that. So that will hold the battery, the side, as you can see, holds the battery down, and then just tighten it. So yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you.